This video shows how to buy shares of Nanoco Group Plc, a developer of quantum dot nanomaterials that trades on the LSE PLC under the ticker NANO.L. This is for educational purposes and not financial advice. To purchase shares, you must use a broker. We will use eToro as an example to illustrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker Nano.L to locate the Nanoco Group Plc listing on the London Stock Exchange. Confirm you are selecting the correct company from the results. Open the asset page to view the company summary and the price chart and make sure this is the correct Nanoco share. Check the basic information and exchange details shown on the page. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, carefully review the order details, and then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or set to execute at market open, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before completing the purchase. Once executed, the new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For the exact platform used in this demo, see the link in the description.